Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to show you how to make cottage cheese and onion curry or Czaman in Kashmiri style. It's an extremely renowned and basic paneer or cottage cheese curry of every household in Kashmir and it tastes splendid. So let's get started. For making this curry I have taken 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 green cardamoms and 1 crushed black cardamom, 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 cinnamon stick, 2 to 3 cloves, 1 teaspoon of homemade garam masala, salt 2 teaspoons, 1.5 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of fennel seed powder and 1 tablespoon of kasuri methi or fenugreek leaves. This is optional but it gives a good taste. And 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Cottage cheese or paneer I have taken 750 grams and in Kashmir we make thick rectangular cubes like this. I'll be showing you. And around 750 grams of thinly sliced onions. Before moving to cooking, I have taken 2 glasses of water in a pan and added a quarter or half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Then I will boil it. So after frying paneer, I'll keep paneer in it. It helps to keep paneer soft. You can do it before frying the paneer or after. So I like to do it after frying the paneer. It depends. You can do it either way. Before frying the paneer, you can keep paneer dipped in this water or after. And I have taken enough oil for frying the paneer. We have to deep fry paneer on both sides. Here you can see it's around 1 cup of oil I have heated up and added paneer pieces to it. Here the flame is between medium to high. And now I'll flip the paneer. It was fried on one side and then I'll keep it in turmeric water. I have boiled that turmeric water. This is the second batch of paneer that I have taken. So I'll fry like this also likewise and then keep it in the turmeric water. So here you can see I have added the fried paneer to boiled turmeric water. So I'll keep it like this and make onion curry. Now in the same pan I have taken out the extra oil in which I fried the paneer and I have taken a little bit of oil, that's around 2 tablespoons, and I have added ginger garlic paste, cumin seeds, green cardamom, black cardamom, crushed black cardamom, cinnamon and cloves. I'll saute it properly, then I'll be adding onions to it. I'll add salt to it, mix and then keep it like this till onions are fried properly and they are soft. Salt you can adjust according to your taste, and sometimes paneer or cottage cheese is also salty, so you need to be careful with the salt. So I'll cover it and let it cook. So after around 10 minutes, here you can see they are getting cooked and they are turning soft too. So we'll keep them like this. Flame here is medium. We'll keep checking in between so that they don't burn. And now here you can see they are done and oil is also visible on the surface. So at this stage I'll be adding other spices: ginger powder, turmeric powder, garam masala, chili powder. Chili you can adjust according to your taste. If you like hot curries, you can add more chilies also. Fennel seed powder. Mix properly and then I'll be adding the water. You can use that turmeric water also, but I'm using plain water, and then I'll be adding paneer pieces, fried paneer pieces to it. And then I'll be adding dry fenugreek leaves or kasuri methi also, and we will cover it and let it cook for around 15 minutes on low to medium flame so that paneer also gets the taste of curry. But we need to be careful with stirring so that the paneer doesn't break. So after around 15 minutes on low flame, here you can see our paneer curry is ready. It's a very basic curry and but tastes amazing. Salt and gravy you can adjust according to your taste, or you can add more gravy also if you want it to be want to have more gravy. So here our basic Czaman, Gandè or cottage cheese and onion curry is ready. It's served with rice in Kashmir. You can serve it with roti too. Give this recipe a try and let me know in comments how it turns. Thank you for watching. Moreover, I'll be leaving a link of my Urdu and Kashmiri channel in description box. Check it out. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.